Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. This is kind of my version and my spin on an anti-Valentine's Day look. The other day I uploaded a soft, flirty, fun, pinky Valentine's Day look. Then I wanted to kind of take it to a different level and be like, okay, but there are people who totally cannot stand Valentine's Day as well, so what would they wear? I wanted this look to be really like structured and like contoured and angular and like, because people who dislike Valentine's Day generally want to cut some people. I used a lot of red, obviously, because in the spirit of Valentine's Day, red is the signature color, and the shirt still says love on it. So there's still an aspect of love, but it's a little bit more bold and a little bit more in your face and a little bit more dark, so to speak. So that is what we did today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date and know exactly when I'm posting my stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm done rambling now. This intro, I feel like, is a hot mess. Hopefully I can edit it together and somehow make it make sense. Anyways, I'm done. I'm gonna get to the tutorial now. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello everybody, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're gonna start with the eyes. I know, crazy, but just trust me. I'm gonna pull out my handy dandy scotch tape because, like I said, I want this look to be really sharp and angled. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna place this tape right underneath my lower lashes. You wanna be really careful that you don't tape down your lower lashes because that's painful. Trust me, I've done it. I'm gonna pat down this tape to make sure that none of the shadow gets underneath so we don't have any fallout. And then I'm gonna go in with my tried and true, my trusty NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer, and I am going to pat that all over my lid. Now, this is an all matte eyeshadow look, and this concealer is one of the best to help make the shadow stick and makes it apply smoothly, and it makes sure nothing falls off. It's just amazing. If you guys haven't heard me already, go out and get this concealer. Next, I'm going to pick up my Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. This is Rose Berry, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm going to take my Morphe M513, and I'm going to pack that really heavily on the outer corner and then work it slowly into the center of the lid. I'm trying to focus more of these deep colors on the outer corner because I really want the outside corner to be sharp and really defined. And then when the product isn't so heavy on the brush, I'm going to just sweep it across, bringing it a little higher up on the brow bone. Then I'm going to take the shade Wild Berries from my Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette, and on a Morphe M433, I'm going to pack that right underneath that first color that we laid down. I want this to be a very blended, gradient, smoky matte look, so I'm trying to focus this really low on the crease and really tight, focusing as always on the outer corner because we want that outer corner to be really defined, really sharp, really harsh, not harsh, you know what I mean, really defined. Then I'm going to pick up my Morphe 3502, and with the most iconic shade in the palette, the color Fire, I am going to pack that all over the center of the lid. I'm going to take this Morphe R39, and I'm going to at first go in really lightly and softly. This is a very intense color. I didn't want to pack it all on at first and have like a color explosion on my eye, so I went in with really small patting motions, and I just built it up slowly. This color is, like I said, it's intense, so make sure you take small movements whenever you use this. I will build this up, but it's intense. Next, I'm going to take the color Whiz from the 3502 palette, and on a Morphe tapered blending brush, I'm going to really softly pat that on the outer V of the eye. If you'll notice, I'm not taking it all the way up to where that first color is because I want this to be a more subtle smoky effect. This color is probably one of the most intense blacks that I've ever used, so keep that in mind whenever you dip your brush in. I barely tapped the palette, and got so much pigment. I swear this is one of the best blacks I've ever used. Then, to blend those colors together to make it to where it's not so harsh, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M513, and with that first shade from the Dose of Colors palette, I'm going to blend those colors together so it's not so harsh of a line. We want this to be gradiented and blended blended together. Then I'm going to take the tape off of my eyes. I probably stuck that on there a little too tightly, as you can see, but I'm going to reveal that really sharp line. Next, I'm going to take my Mineral Infused Primer by e.l.f. and as always, I'm going to put that all over the skin. I'm pretty sure I had shadow that ended up by my nose. Oops. Then, of course, my L'Oreal foundation and my Colourpop concealer. I'm whizzing through this because you guys know I'm so boring. I use the exact same products, but when they work for me, they work for me. Of course, for this look, since it's ultra glam, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes, on my chin, and my forehead, and then I'm going to dust that away with my BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance brush. This is the number 2 brush. This is one of the best brushes I have that dusts away the bake. You can pretty much use whatever brush you're comfortable with, but this one is so soft and it just blends away the bake. It's so easy and it covers such a wide area of the face. So good. Then I'm going to pick up my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit, and with the color Shadow Play, I'm going to contour my cheeks. I wanted this look to be really angled, really like boom and structured, so I'm going to use my Morphe M523 brush, and I'm going to contour my face. Yes. This look, at first, I wasn't sure if I wanted to contour, but then I looked at the eyes and I was like, we need some contour up in here. So that's what I did. Then I'm going to pick up my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the light butter bronzer, and on my Morphe R2, I'm going to dust that on my cheeks and my forehead, and I'm also blending in my contour as I go. Some people contour differently, some people bronze differently. This is just the way I do it. There is no specific way. It's makeup, there are no rules. Then I'm going to pick up my NYX Cosmetics Powder Blush in the shade Angel and dust that on my cheeks. I lost the footage to it, but trust me, it's on there. Then I'm going to go back into my 3502 palette, and with that same color Wiz, I'm going to take my Morphe M432 definer brush, and I'm going to put that right underneath my lower lash line. Again, this is a very intense color. Be very, very careful when you go in because you don't want to ruin the look by making it look like you have a black eye. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Fire and smoke out the lower lash line. Again, I lost the footage. Then I was like, what else do I need? And boom, I did my eyebrows, I did my liner, and surprise, I am wearing false lashes today. I just felt like this look called for it. Then I'm going to pick up my Milani Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Moonglow, and I'm going to dust that all over my cheeks and my nose because, you know, we're going all out today. This is just a full-on glam, like, shout out to the haters look. Then I'm going to do my lip color. This is the shade Frenchie in the Colourpop Lippy pencils. I'm going to line my lips. I wanted a very bold red lip to match the bold eyes because I'm like, you know what? Let's just go all out. Then for my lip color, I'm going to go in with the Lorec Pro Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Ruby. At first, I really liked this color, but then when I got looking at it, I was like, this isn't dark enough, so I did go in with another lip color from Morphe. It was actually just the Morphe shade. I just didn't think that this one was bold enough. Then I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last setting spray to lock this look into place so you can slay the haters all day. And that completes this look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a happy Valentine's Day, whether you're spending it alone or with somebody. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are feeling extra kind, don't forget to check my bottom bar. I want to give a shout out to another small beauty YouTuber. Her name is Andrea Peck. She is an up-and-coming artist just like myself, so go ahead and check out her channel, give her a like and a subscribe, and say hey. Alright, I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Okay. Y'all saw that, right? Think I'm sitting here in nice pants and stuff? Nope. Sweatpants. That's how I live my life. Alright, I'm about to start talking.